Namaste and welcome to day 16. Well, today's practice is about full body stretch. Yes, and in this practice, I want you to relax your face muscles intentionally as much as you can. Because whenever you do this, whenever you tense the muscles in your body, in your face, it does not help you actually go towards your goal, which is to relax the muscle. Our mind activates the defense mechanism, and that activation will help you not stretch. So, remember to relax your face, okay? Relax your shoulders, relax your chest, close your eyes, enjoy the sounds of the ocean. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. A beautiful intention for this amazing day that you have ahead of you in this beautiful practice. Relax your hands. Lovely. Let's start with taking the right arm on the right side, pull it away, and flex your arm. Like point your toes up. I mean fingertips. It's so. Cut this. So we'll start with stretching the right arm to the side and taking the fingers pointing to the upward direction. As you do this, some of you might feel the stretch around some place in your arm, and then you tilt your head and slowly come back up. Gentle nerve flossing. Relax. Keep going left and up. And up. And up. And up. Release. Lovely. Left arm to the side. Point your fingertips to the top. Now drop your head. Whew. And up. Nerve flossing. And relax. This is beautiful. From here, 2 rolls in the shoulder backwards and 2 roll to the front. Take it all the way up to the ears. Beautiful. Inhale, stretch your palms, interlock it and take it above your head and drop it on the right side. Slowly towards the front, making a semicircle, going to the left and eventually coming from the side to up. Reverse the direction. Keep pulling your hands and to the side and up. Ooh. Let's do this one more time. The idea is that my hand is getting pulled by the universe and it's going in the side direction, and then it's pulling towards the front, and then it's pulling towards the side, and from the side it's coming up. Let's do this together. Interlock. Lift up. Exhale. Keep your normal breath alive. Reverse the direction. Go at your own pace. Beautiful. Release the hands. Take your palms on the sides. Stretch, lengthen. Lift up your chest and head. And slowly release. One more time. Lift up the chest, head, chin. Exhale, release. From here, we'll come into all fours. Inhale, slow cat and cow, relaxing your toes. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. And slowly release. Curl your toes. Try to lift up the knees, push the hips back, and just stay there. Warm up by lifting your right heel, right feet, left, right. Just lift up the leg and drop it down. Just lift up the leg, drop it down. Lift up the leg, drop it down. And now same with the arm. Lift up the arm, drop it down. Beautiful. Lift, lift, lift. Now taking your right leg straight up as much as you can and slowly drop it down. Taking your left leg straight up as much as you can and slowly dropping it down. Taking your right leg slightly forward between the palms and bending the back knee down. Lifting up your chest and your head. Exhale from here. You lift up the knee and you take the hip back as much as you can. Feel free to use props like block if you need under your palms. Exhale, drop your knees down. Lift up your chest, lift up your head. Exhale, lift up the hips, take the knees back. Inhale ahead. Exhale back. Inhale ahead. Exhale back. Inhale ahead. Exhale back. Slowly step your right leg back and step the left leg ahead between the palms. Drop the knees. It's okay if the knees are going ahead. Exhale, push. Go back just as much as your body is allowing. Inhale, focus on the navigation of breath and relax your face. Just keep focusing on just breathing. Slowly take the legs back and drop your knees down. From here, we'll do a good puppy stretch, opening your heart. So stretch your arms as ahead to the end of the mat and drop your shoulders and forehead down. Allow your shoulders to surrender. Allow your face muscles to relax. Slowly come back, pressing the palms, shifting the weight on the shoulders. From here, drop your elbows down, lift up the palms to stay on the elbows, and then shift back. Try to open the shoulders once again. Breathe. Slowly release the palms. Come back on your palms. We'll take the right leg outside the right palm and lower the hips. Lower your elbows if you can. You can walk your elbows as further as you like. And breathe. Relax your face. You're doing amazing. From here, slowly come back on your palms. Just open your shoulder. Try to lower the hip as much as you can and look back towards your foot. Slowly come back front. Switch legs. Take your left leg outside the left hand. Lower the hips. Lower as much as you can, either on your palms, one forearm, or both the forearm. Relax your face, relax your head. Woo! That's okay. Let's continue the practice. Come up on your palms and look back at your left feet. Slowly come back, going back into child's pose. Open your knees wide, drop your chest, forehead down. From here, we press the palms, shift ahead, go into upward facing dog. Keep the shoulders down, bend your elbows, stay here. Keep pulling the chest in the front, shoulders in the back. Stay there. Don't drop your head too back. We just want the head relaxed. Shoulders down. Squeeze your glutes. Bend the knees from behind if you can. As much as you can. Try to reach back. And release. Curl your toes. From there, we go back into downward facing dog. Bend the right knee. Bend the left knee. Bend the right. Bend the left. Lovely. Slowly coming ahead into pigeon modified. So drop your knees down. If this is comfortable for you, you can take the heel to the front and drop the back feet as much as you can. Add a cushion or a height underneath your hips to make this accessible. Just 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Go back. Same thing on the other side. One side will always be different than the other. Just embrace that. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, shoulders away from the ears. Slowly lift up, take the legs back. Come up into a seat. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Join your palms. Take a moment to acknowledge the practice, acknowledge your efforts, acknowledge everyone that is contributing beautifully in this journey. And I want you to tell yourself, talk to yourself of 3 things that you are very grateful for today. Lie down for your relaxation. And thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.